is command post on Mac?
Control Center brings menu bar items such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and sound together in a single place. Plus you get additional controls and instant access to them all. To view Control Center, click the Control Center icon in the menu bar.
Okay. What is control panels on vessel of starships?
Yacht control panels put you in charge of all yacht systems. HVAC systems, lighting controls, generator, alarm systems, ship monitoring systems.
Monitoring system, ships is a computer lab. They only have access to Bill Gates. A Mac is a Wi-Fi.